In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to link your bank account to Wise. First, you want to create and verify your Wise account. So go to wise.com and sign up with your real name, email, and phone number. Then complete the identity verification. This will be an ID plus a proof of address as required by Wise. Then you want to open up the balance or money out section. So after logging in, tap or click balance or money out or send money on the main screen. This is just navigating Wise interface. Choose bank account as your payment method. When starting a transfer or adding money, select bank account or linked bank account as your payment method. This mirrors Wise's official wording and doesn't violate any terms. Then you want to enter your bank account details. So select your country and bank, then enter your bank account number, routing, IBAN, SWIFT, and other fields shown by Wise. Then confirm and verify your bank. So confirm the details and submit. If required, wait for 2 small test deposits, then enter the amounts back to Wise to complete verification. Finally, use the linked bank for future transfers. After the bank is linked and verified, you can reuse it as a payment method for transfers. If this helps you, subscribe, but for now, goodbye.